Nagsimula na ngayong araw ang 23rd World Economic Forum on East Asia na sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon matapos ang 2 dekada ay isinagawa dito sa Pilipinas. Kanina nag-courtesy call kay Pangulong Benigno Aquino III sa Malacanang ang mga delegado ng ASEAN Business Club para sa nasabing forum. Pinagmalaki ng Pangulo na hindi na tinaguri ang sick man of Asia ang bansa dahil sa patuloy na pag-unlad ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas.
Our IT BPO sector continues to remain a strong driver of growth, while manufacturing is experiencing a resurgence because of, amongst other factors, robust domestic demand. This strong domestic demand is another indication of the potential that investors see in the Philippines. On top of our administration's commitment to good governance, strong macroeconomic fundamentals, and the credit rating upgrades we have received from all 3 major credit rating agencies, placing us at investment grade or higher. No longer are we the sick man in Asia. We are now Asia's bright spot, a viable destination for investments and tourists.
Kaya naman hinikayat ng Pangulo ang mga nasabing delegado na paigtingin pa ang pakikipag-ugnayan sa bansa.
In this case, all includes businessmen like yourselves, and I encourage you to make the most of your time here, whether in your attendance to the World Economic Forum on East Asia or in meetings amongst yourselves. This is the time to expand your connections and forge stronger relationships with your Filipino counterparts.
Ang 3 araw na conference ay binubuo ng 600 delegado mula sa business, finance at civil society sectors mula sa 30 mga bansa sa East Asia. Ako ang inyong kaibigan, Marge Wamar para sa Newsline.